Hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel and at Bella. Today I'm at Conkers. I've just done the barefoot walk and it's going to be an awesome day, so we'll see what we can see. Ta-ta! Smelly pine trees. Love it. I've located General Winwood's Ephraffa. This is the warren. You can pop out. Strange.
Put their nests in the stockpiles and then you can't use, they're protected so you can't use the stockpile. You lose money.
Yeah, due to sand martins.
That's like, you don't want to make your stock as if they've got a cliff face to out then.
They do.
Slope it. These little bulrushes in front of us.
Yeah, it's not a pond like that on the map. The map's wrong.
Coming! So I am on the water side area of Conkers, and here we have male and female mated pair and 5 goslings. Very cute. Very cute indeed. So adorable. Very, very cute. So this, on Conkers waterside area, they have a memorial to Dunblane. I hope you enjoyed my day at Conkers. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It was about £11, £12 for an adult to get in. I've had a real fab time. I really enjoyed the barefoot walk and the giant climbing equipment and the slides. It's been really, really good, but then again I do love a good country park, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and bye now!